In July 2021, I decided to completely turn my life around. I was eating shitty food and watching TV from morning till night pretty much every single day. I didn't want to live like this anymore, but I didn't know why I was doing this to myself in the first place. It was almost as if I woke up, went downstairs by habit, turned on the TV, and then it was 6 p.m. at night already. Even now when I look back, I barely remember those days because I was so unpresent. Eventually I was able to get into the gym because I had a friend that was going at the time and he invited me and I just wanted something to do. But I didn't seriously start to quit any of my bad habits like video games and porn until I started meditating.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
So you want to know what the biggest benefit of meditation is? It's presence. Presence is the number one thing you need to quit bad habits and start improving your life. And meditation helps you become present because it makes you focus on the moment and focus on your breath and forget your thoughts. When you're doing bad habits, there is a high chance you are not present. And this is why people call things like scrolling on social media mindless scrolling. Because for some reason you're unaware of what you're doing to yourself until it's too late and you've already wasted a few hours. When I started meditating in June 2022, and I would spend around over an hour a day doing it, which by the way is not necessary at all to get the benefits, something weird happened. My confidence and my ability to talk to women was skyrocketing. I used to see a cute girl and I would do the thing where you like glance over at her 10 times and then you think in your head, alright, so if I say this, what will she say? But like, no, what if she says that? But what if she has a boyfriend? Then what do I say? Because if she says that, then that would be embarrassing. And then do I walk away or do I just tell her have a nice day? But when I started meditating, I forgot about all that. And I was actually starting to get a few girls' numbers and I started seeing some major benefits because I was able to be like, you know what? It doesn't matter. Let me just go up and do it and see what happens. But when you're not present, your mind will take control. Your mind will be like, nah man, we shouldn't do this because what if this happens? I know for a fact you're saying the same bullshit I used to say, but I don't have hours to meditate daily, so I can't do it. You do not need to spend hours a day to get benefits from meditation. Doing literally a few minutes, 10 minutes a day, consistently will give you benefits. And you might have tried one or two quick meditations and thought, I didn't feel anything from it, so all the people online must be liars, and it's just not for me. I just don't have the right body type and mental state to do meditation, and yeah, it just doesn't work for me. Bro, these motherfuckers piss me off. Of course, one or two meditations isn't gonna do anything for you. If you went to the gym and did one or two workouts, are you gonna get a six-pack and have some crazy biceps and be a bodybuilder? Of course not. It takes time. You need to stay consistent with it over a long period of time. But similarly to working out, the benefits are guaranteed. There is guaranteed benefits as long as you stay consistent with it and you do it. Showing up to practice and meditating is like going to the gym and doing a workout. And each time your mind wanders and you pull it back to now, that is one rep. And just like the gym, the more reps you do and the better you do the reps, the better results you get. So don't think of it as something where it's like, alright, well, I'm not getting benefits from it right now. It must just be because I'm not someone who can meditate. Everyone can meditate. For some people, it might take longer to get benefits. I know I recommended a friend to meditate about like 4 months ago, and when he first did it, the first time, he was like, bro, I felt crazy from this. This felt amazing. Thank you for putting me on this. But for me, it took me like, 6 meditations till I can actually get into the state. And the biggest reason this is because when you first start, you're not actually really able to pull your mind back to now. You'll be sitting there in meditation thinking, I'm meditating, but without being able to realize it, your mind will still be wandering. And that's why you don't really get benefits for the first little while. If you can just stay consistent with 10 to 20 minutes a day of just not thinking about anything, think of the benefits you're gonna get in a few months. And obviously you're gonna be like, a few months? That takes so long. Yeah, a few months is a long time to wait to see benefits, and if you're like me, you want benefits right now. But trust me, it is just worth it to put in the time of 10 to 20, bro, you have 10 to 20 minutes a day to just sit there and think about nothing. So by far, the biggest benefits of meditation are increased presence, which means decreased time spent doing activities that you don't want to do, like scrolling on social media, increased confidence in social situations, and overall more gratitude for your life. And the easiest way to start is to go on YouTube or find a free meditation app, Find someone whose voice you don't mind. Show up to practice and think about nothing. It's literally as simple as that. There's no like, bro, there's a lot of advanced meditations out there where it's like focus on your chakras and your heart centers. Bro, you don't need that shit. You just need to focus on nothing. Forget about your thoughts. When you're overthinking, do a meditation. When you wake up, do a meditation. Whenever you have time, do a meditation. And you will start to see the benefits like getting more attraction from women very, very quickly. And remember, don't be afraid if your mind wanders. That is part of meditation, and mindfulness is being able to have your mind wander and pull it back to the present moment. The more you practice mindfulness, the better you'll get it in the future. And each time you can pull your mind back to the present moment, that is like 1 rep. And the more reps you do and the better you do them, the more results you'll get. Be a doer, not a thinker, and go to a meditation the moment this video ends. See ya.